Hello, I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Jeff Bullock, and welcome to Prism Insights. Today, we'll uncover the lessons from successes and setbacks in recent AI developments. Let's get started. Humane AI Pin review. The Humane AI Pin was designed to shift our reliance from smartphones to wearable AI technology. Despite its innovative intent and a hefty price tag of $699 plus a monthly subscription, the device has struggled with slow performance and reliability, disappointing users. This scenario offers a vital lesson on the necessity of aligning innovation with practical usability. Entrepreneurs can take this as a reminder of the importance of rigorous product testing and genuinely understanding customer needs before launch. Google Magic Editor AI Photo Tools. Google has taken a significant step by making its AI-powered Magic Editor in Google Photos free for basic use, effective from May 15, 2024. Users can edit up to 10 photos per month for free, with further usage requiring additional engagement with Google's products. For entrepreneurs, it's an exemplary case of enhancing product value and customer engagement through technological innovation. Consider how your business can leverage AI to solve everyday challenges and enhance your offerings. Forbes 2024 AI 50 list. Forbes' 2024 AI 50 list reveals the leading AI companies making significant impacts across various industries. These companies are not just innovating, but also attracting hefty investments, showing a strong confidence in AI technologies. The insights from this list are invaluable for understanding where AI is making the most impact and where the future of tech investment is headed. For high achievers and entrepreneurs, it's crucial to recognize trends and align your strategies with these emerging technologies to stay ahead in the competitive curve. SAG-AFTRA AI protections for artists. SAG-AFTRA has brokered a new agreement with major record labels that includes critical AI protections, mandating artist consent and compensation for using their digital voice replicas, a major step forward in rights for creators. This development is a key lesson in the importance of ethical practices in the deployment of new technologies. Entrepreneurs should view this as an opportunity to consider how their innovations could impact stakeholders and how to integrate ethical considerations into their business models. Thank you for joining me in this insightful journey through AI's latest trends and lessons. Remember to subscribe, follow us on social media, and join our school community to stay updated with more valuable insights. See you next time.